It's Thursday, April 16th, and I'm going to show you today what we're going to do. You have two options today. So remember, go into the distance learning folder, and then you're going to go down to Thursday, April 16th. Our daily slide for today is, it's taken a second to load. While it's loading, I noticed a lot of you are getting your CAMI assignments in and it's working. Make sure you always go through this folder and click on it there and go that way to make sure it'll work. But here's our slide. Today's a day 2. Learning targets. I can identify how animals impact people in a positive way, and I can record examples and evidence for my explanatory essay. So this is the last one we're going to do before we start brainstorming for our paper. So your explanatory essay, self-select text source via Schoology, or you can do the Temple Grandin film. Now, there's might be a glitch with that. I went to check out the film to see, load it and everything, and it wasn't working, and I contacted Mrs. Nelson in the media center, and she said they were working on it. So they might get it up and ready today or for Friday, which obviously is late. So if the film doesn't work and you wanted to choose that, you might have to wait a day and then try it. But otherwise, you can pick a third article. And again, remember to put the title. I'm taking the point off if you don't write the title down, because again, there's 10 articles to choose from. So you're going to take your notes. And remember, the notes are what you're going to use for evidence in your paper. So make sure you take good notes. Now going back to our folder. So back into Thursday, the video will be here. Articles, again, all 10 are in here. So if you have to choose an article because the film's not working, make sure it's a different one and title it. And then also don't just say number 3, number 4, that's not going to work. We need to know the exact title. And then, like I said, when you open this assignment, do it right from here and click open, and then pick open assignment with CAMI. And when you open it, if your CAMI is working correctly, you will see at the top, it'll ask to import it through Google, and you're going to let it do it. You upload it. And then you should see up here at the top, it'll have your name, and see how it says CAMI Schoology? That's how we know it's in CAMI. And that's when this turn in button is going to work. So if you're opening it through somewhere else and not using CAMI, that's not going to show up. So you got to make sure you open it the way I showed you. And then that'll show up, and then over here is the turn in button. So again, add your text box so you can type your name on your paper. Here are the times if the video does work. Springboard, when we normally did this in school, I gave you a chart and we'd watch these clips and then fill out information. So you can watch any or all of these clips, or if you want to watch the whole movie because it's really good, or if you want to do it at some other day when the movie does work and you want to just watch the movie because it's a really good movie, go ahead. But our same questions we always have, because that's what our paper's about. How did the person in the article or the movie, I should say, enhance their life through observing and interacting with animals? How did the person from the article or movie learn from the animals? And in what ways did the animals help the person in the story? Okay? So again, make sure you go up to the top here, hit turn in, and then hit turn in again. Now, if I do it, it's going to say I can't do that because I'm the teacher and I made this. So, but that's how you're going to submit this. And then we're going to take all this information that we've done on all our different explanatory essay notes, and we're going to use that as text evidence in our paper. So we're going to take that. You're going to do a circle frame map on Friday and Monday. It's the same map, but I'm going to give you 2 days to do it. And you're going to use all your evidence and information you filled out in these. That's why I keep telling you, make sure you put good information so you can use that in your paper. Put it in your own words too, please. Again, email me if you have any questions, because that's how I can contact you. So email me if you have any questions. Make sure you get all that work done, because again, this is what you have to use on your paper. And for Thursday or for Friday and Monday's assignment is you'll need these explanatory essay clips. All right, thanks. Have a great day.